How to fix call recording not working on iPhone. First, open the phone app and try calling your own number to test the call recording feature. If everything's working, you should see a small icon at the top left, lines with a dot. And when you tap it, it should say, "This call will be recorded." If you don't see that option, let's go through a few things you can check. Head into Settings, then go to General Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is running at least iOS 18.1, which is when call recording was officially added. If you're not updated yet, go ahead and install the latest version. Once you're updated, return to the main settings screen, scroll down, and tap on Apps at the bottom. Now find and tap on Phone, and scroll down until you see Call Recording. Make sure the toggle is switched on. If it's off, you won't be able to record anything. Finally, check whether call recording is supported in your country. It's currently available in the United States, UK, Canada, and several Spanish-speaking countries like Mexico and Spain. If you're in a country where call recording is restricted or illegal, Apple disables that feature by default. And that's it. Once you've updated, enabled the toggle, and confirmed availability, you should be good to go. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.